Everyone, my name is Vinay and you're watching EduSmart. So I'm back with another video on Accenture documents uploading process. So today, just now I received an email from Accenture stating that two of my tasks that I have uploaded earlier were rejected. So I would like to notify you about these rejection tasks that you might get ready with. They gave me 24 hours of time to upload this. If you see, the first mail was something like this. This is the rejection comment. Kindly update your LOA document in JPG format. So this is my candidature if you see. So this was the declaration form, right? So you can see this was a document that I have uploaded earlier. LOA encrypted.pdf. Now this is in PDF format, right? Earlier they accepted all these formats like RTF, doc and PDF and TXT, etc. But then now exclusively they mentioned please update it in JPG format. So this is something that you might also get, though it was accepted earlier. Now they are asking us to upload only in JPG format. Let us do that. I think this was the one. Oh, okay, this is JPG file, right? I'm uploading it now. So now how to convert the PDF to JPG format? Actually, if you do not know how to convert this, you can see it here. See, I have already mentioned in this video how to create this LOA file, right? This encrypted LOA file, what I have uploaded here. This one earlier in the PDF format. If you do not know, I recommend you to watch this video, Accenture Documents Upload Problems Explained eSign Marks. In this video, I have clearly mentioned how to create that PDF file. Now, once you create that PDF file, what you have to do is go to this ilovepdf.com where you can find lot of tools like you can see this all PDF tools. Now here you can see PDF to JPG format. Now go here and upload the document. You can select here select the PDF file that you wanted to upload. No, this was the one that I have. This is PDF format, right? LOA encrypted. So I'm choosing it. Now here you can see this convert to JPG format. So this is the process that I did. Now you can click on this download JPG format and you will get that format. And that is what I have uploaded it here just now. So this was that JPG format, right? In .jpg format. So this is how you will be uploading here. This is the first task that I have got rejected, right? Okay, let us leave it this aside. Now let us see another task rejection mail that I have received now. So this was another task rejection mail which is kindly upload your 6th semester mark sheet and update your 10th period from 2014 to 2015. Earlier I have mentioned even screenshots of your result page will work for the mark sheets, right? So yes, it will still work as of if you see the remaining 5 semesters that I have uploaded were only screenshots. I have already shown you. I already shown in the previous video as well, right? All of my semester marks were PDFs only. If it should be somewhere like this, okay. So this was a PDF of our results page. If you see here, it includes our college logo, right? So for all of my semester marks, that was the logo that was present for all of that. But for the 6th semester, I do not have that logo. Uh, that result page was somewhere else. Okay, it has gone somewhere right now, but if you see, that was not present. All of those, like everything was fine for that except that 6th semester. So for that reason, what they have done is they have rejected only that 6th semester. If you can see this clearly, kindly upload your 6th semester mark sheet. They are asking only the 6th semester mark sheet because in that there was no mark sheet upload, like the college logo applied in that for that particular result. So for that reason, they have cancelled this. That means they have rejected this 6th semester mark sheet and asking me to upload something which has the college logo. And also apart from this, I have made some other mistake, which is my 10th period. 10th duration, instead of 2014 to 2015, I have mentioned it 2004 to 2015. That was might be a typo. So here I have changed it right now. I have already changed it, to 2014. Now I have updated it to 2014. After that, I have clicked this save draft because I have to change it, right. Again, I have to upload the 6th semester mark sheet. So for that reason, I have uploaded college to send me the 6th semester mark sheet so that I can upload and rectify this mistake. This is something that I have registered. I have got here. See, when you are changing this, before I have shown you that I have uploaded this, right, in .jpg format. Now when I went back and I have come here, this is in PDF format because I did not save this at least even in draft. these changes will be saved only when you click this save draft. Okay, please do ensure that you are saving this whenever you change something. So this was the image. I'm uploading it again in the JPG format, and then I will click save draft. So now it will be saved. I can even click this task because there is nothing to worry about this task because it was already done. I have changed it into the JPG format. So this is about this task rejection, and apart from this, you might not get something, some other. If you see, approved 10, rejected 1. Now I have this, you can see this as I have resubmitted it again. It is showing that only 1 was rejected. That is this semester marks, 6th semester mark sheet. So apart from this, if you see submitted to, right, now this is candidate marks semester wise. I have mentioned all the semester marks. That was not yet, I think they did not approve it. It means they might not have checked it because it actually needs 8 semester marks, right? We only have 6 semesters. So I have uploaded up to 6 semesters. They did not completely verify this. So they did not mark it as approved. Instead, it was in submitted stage only. So you might not get any other problems apart from this. So if you have any other problems, I recommend you to watch this video because I have completely explained everything here. You should not get any problems. And this was something that I followed. And even you should not get this rejection mail because if your screenshot, if your results page, at least screenshot has the college logo, that is enough for this. So if you have any other questions, you can feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'm always happy to answer all your questions. Thank you so much. Please do not share it with your friends who got selected at Accenture. Thank you guys.